All right, my friends, we are at BMW Motorrad Tusker, which is in Vittal Malia Road. So going to take a test ride of the brand new GS1250 Rally. So this is a 2022 model. I'm going to take a quick spin on this bike. It's a keyless. It's slick and absolutely no jerk from the gearbox or no gimmicks or no sounds. Absolutely silky smooth. Gear shift, even the first gear was absolutely amazing. So this is a boxer engine, so the feel of this bike is going to be a bit different, but the ride quality on the bike is amazing, my friends, amazing. So this is the latest model from the BMW Motorrad. It's got a lot of gizmos on the bike. Of course, it's got your heated grips, it's got your traction controls, it's got your suspension adjustments on the fly with the electronic button, then your regular indicator and horns, and the heated grips can be turned on right away here, turn it off here, and then you have riding modes on the bike, right? So you have right now it's running in the rain mode, there is road mode, there is dynamic, there is enduro, all sort of stuff. So let me put it back to whatever mode was there, which is the rain mode, and ride into the Cubbon Park. I'll just get into the Cubbon Park and take a short spin over there and then get back from there. So this one seems to be having an hydraulic clutch as well, and the clutch action is silky smooth, and bike feels totally premium, guys, totally premium. That's an Acura for you. Let me turn it off. So it's also got a, I think, a mobile holder here, which is like a GPS mount kind of a thing, and the visor quite tall enough, and it's adjustable right from here. So you can lower it, lower this right now. Okay, this is the lowest. So it's all on the fly, and the color scheme is amazing. Wow, feel of a BMW is amazing, my friends. Way better than the Tiger Rally 900. The ride quality is amazing, and it's too good. And the seat height is currently set to the lowest position. It's all adjustable, and I think right now it is about 940 or 950 mm. I think I've turned on the heat grips. Let me turn it off. So it's the same button to turn it off. Wow. The roar of the Boxer engine. Oh my god. It just almost popped a wheelie. Bike almost popped a wheelie. It's not safe to do that in the city, right? It's, if you have an open road, you can still explore a little bit more on the bike, but certainly will not do it in the city. Okay, the heated grips is turned off. So yes, the dashboard console has got a lot of things here. It's got your RPM, it's got your odometer, speedometer, your temperature, your time, and there is a menu, full-fledged menu here, which tells you about the bike, right? What temperature is the engine at, what is the range, what is the voltage, tire pressure, PSI, everything on the fly, my friends. Everything on the fly. So there is a navigation also on the bike. So there is a trip meters, there is okay, the mileage indicator. So it's doing 12.5, and that's the average speed. And this is the tire pressure. There are cops in the front, so let the Akrapovic not roar. So yeah, this is UB City. A lot of Christmas preparations going on for the decoration and all that. So bike is really cool. So we are back to the showroom. So I've come here along with my friend Yogesh, and probably he would hop on and take a quick spin on the bike. Okay, let me take a quick turn here and then get back to the BMW Motorrad, the Tusker. Okay, so we will pull the bike off to the side and rest it on the stand and turn off the ignition. So let me give you a quick walk around of the bike. So this is how the bike looks. Amazing color scheme, the BMW branding, the white color, GS Rally R1250, the legendary BMW Beak. It's got its handguards built in. It's everything, my friends. So off-road spec tires, the tubeless rims, everything. And it's got an Acura, right? So it's amazing. So yes, my friends, so that's my short initial impression about the bike. So my friend Yogesh is going ahead with a test ride. So he'll take a short spin around the Cubbon Park and be back. So yeah, that's pretty much about the BMW GS 1250 Rally. So yeah, I would have wished to have a spin on the highway, but nevertheless it's a decent experience. And coming to the pricing, so I've been told that this costs about 23 lakhs ex showroom, and about 27 and a half on road. So 5.5 lakhs of tax, registration, and insurance, all that stuff. So that's the deal, my friends. So